So Wendy, I'm going to go into assignments. I'm going to scroll down and go to Wrap 1 and click on Grade. I'll see all of my students listed, but notice at the top here I can download all. So I click on Download All. In this case I'm going to take everything. You could just take the submission attachments if you want, but I'll take everything. I'm going to click on Download, and it wants to save my file. And now, so what it's done is actually saved it as a zip file. So I'm just going to double click that to open it. And it's not really usable, so I kind of have to extract these files. So I just click on Extract All Files. It asks me where it wants to put it, so I'm going to make a folder, and I'm just going to name it Wendy. You can name it leave the default. I click on Extract. And so now when I go into that folder, my Downloads folder, if you notice, there's a folder called Wendy. Inside that is the course, and then each student shows up. So I can go into Alexandra's folder, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that I don't really need to pay any attention to. But if I click on Submission Attachment, there's her Word document. So I can open up that Word document, come in, make whatever changes I want to do. So I can come, the first thing you'll notice is that it needs to have editing enabled, so I click on Enable Editing, and now I can come in and using the reviewing tools, I can come in and put a comment, whatever I want to do. I then have the ability to save this, so if I come to File, Save, that will save all the changes I just did. So I'm going to close out of the Word, and if you notice, this is still Alexandra's file here, and it was modified at 11:47, which is right now. So then I can just go backwards, and then I can go into Amy's and do the same thing, etc. So technically, at the end of all of this, I should then be able to make a new zip file and upload that in one fell swoop, but that isn't working right now. I don't know why. It was working last semester. So I'm just going to close out of this, and I'm back in my Sakai course here. So I can come to Alexandra, click on Grade. I can give her feedback if I want here, but I don't need to because I've already done that in the attachment. So then I come down to this area where it says Add Attachments, and now I need to browse to locate that file. So I know it's in my downloads, I know it's in my Wendy folder, Wrap 1, Alex, and it's in Submission, and then I would just select that. Notice that it has the changes, and I just click on Open, and it should pop it into Sakai for me. So it would have uploaded it for me. I'd click on Continue, and then it would put it in for me, and I don't want to do that now. So instead of having Add Attachment here in Alexandra's thing, the attachment would actually be there. Then I would have the option under Grade to select that and give her a V or a W. I will put a ticket in because I don't know why it's doing that. I can then click on Next, and that would then bring me to the next student. So notice that I'm on Amy Beckwith, etc., and I can keep doing it that way. So I hope that makes sense.